and thank you to all of our new subscribers. Hello everyone, my name is Sauerpuss, and today I am going to introduce my step-by-step drawings with Sauerpuss. These videos are for parents to share with their young children. These step-by-step drawings are meant to be simple and easy to follow along. In this first step-by-step drawing, I am going to show you how to draw a cartoon version of me. For these drawings, you can use a pencil, a marker, a crayon, or whatever you have handy at your place. So, if you're ready, let's begin. And we will start by first drawing a simple arc, like this. The next step is to draw another arc that is just below this first one, like this. I've always said the shape of my head looks a bit like an American football. Next, we will draw my ears. One ear will be on one side of the top of my head, and the other one will be on the other side. These ears look like triangles. Next, we will draw my nose, and my nose looks like a rounded triangle. And next, we will draw my mouth. First, we will draw what looks like a letter J. And then we will draw a backwards J. And if you'd like, you can put two little smile marks on each side of the mouth. Next, we will draw my eyes. I like to say that my eyes look like two eggs leaning together. Here's one eye, and next we will draw another eye, like this. I hope you are able to follow along with me. After we have the two eye shapes, we will add my pupils. Here we have a simple version of me, Sauerpuss. If you'd like to put more details on your drawing, you can keep on drawing. The next step, to add more additional detail, I will use a smaller tipped marker. I will now put 3 dots on each side of my mouth. Next, I will add my tooth. And after this, I will draw my whiskers. 1, 2, 3. I'll draw 3 on this side. And then I'll draw 3 lines on the other. And now I have to add 2 curved lines. One is on this ear to look like the outside of the ear. And now we have to draw another curve on the other ear. These 2 curved lines are used to create what looks like the outside of my ears. Next, we will draw the hair inside my ears. On the left side, I draw 3 hairs, like this. And then, on the right side, I draw 4 hairs, like this. Now I will draw my eyebrows and my chin. There's 2 lines above my eyes, like this, and a little line under my mouth. And now I will show you the 2 colors that I use to color in my face. I use a light blue and a pink. I color my face and outside of my ears light blue, and I color my nose pink and also the inside of my ears except for my white hairs. Here we have a cartoon version of me, Sauerpuss. I hope you've enjoyed this follow-along. See you next time, and remember to be creative. Remember, you can always go to our website and register and get all the free downloads in the printable section.